Hi everyone, I'm your Japanese grandma, Grandma Takako. On this channel, I share easy-to-understand stories and little life tips from everyday life and culture in Japan to make your day a little easier. Today, I want to talk about something very simple, but very important in Japanese homes: rice. In Japan, many families eat rice every day, so small habits can make a big difference. Fluffy rice feels like a little happiness on a normal day. First, before we start, let me explain two common types of rice in Japan. One is regular rice that you rinse with water. The other is no-wash rice, which is already processed, so you do not need to rinse it as much. If you use no-wash rice, please check the package. Today, I will mainly talk about regular rice that we rinse with water. Now, let me share 3 easy tips to cook and store rice the Japanese grandma way. Tip 1. Measuring and rinsing the rice. Use a cup to measure your rice. If you use a rice cooker cup, 1 cup is about 180 milliliters. Try to use the same cup every time. This keeps your results more stable. Rinse the rice gently with your hand. Move your hand in a circular motion. Do not scrub too hard. You just want to remove extra starch and dust, not damage the grains. Pour out the cloudy water and repeat 2 or 3 times until the water is a little clearer, but not perfectly clear. A little cloudiness is okay. In Japan, some people even reuse the rinsing water. For example, they may use it to rinse dishes or gently wash their hands because the starch can feel smooth on the skin. But if you have sensitive skin, please be careful and do not overdo it. Tip 2. Water and resting time. After rinsing, add clean water. If you use a rice cooker, fill the water up to the line for the amount of rice you used. If you use a pot, a simple rule is water a little higher than the rice, about 1 fingertip above the rice surface. Then, this part is very important. Let the rice sit in the water for about 30 minutes before cooking. This helps the water go inside each grain. It makes the rice softer and more even. In winter, you can rest it a little longer. In summer, a little shorter is fine. Tip 3. After the rice is cooked and how to store it. When the rice is finished, do not leave it untouched. Open the lid once and gently fluff the rice from the bottom with a rice paddle or spoon. This removes extra steam and helps keep the rice from getting too wet or sticky. If you have leftover rice, do not leave it out on the counter for a long time. You can keep it on keep warm for a few hours. After that, it is better to freeze it. Put the rice into small portions. In Japan, many people wrap rice in plastic wrap or put it into small containers. Here is one small but important tip. When you freeze rice, try to make each portion flat, not round like a ball. If the rice is very thick or round, when you reheat it, the outside becomes hot, but the center may stay cold or hard. If the portion is thin and flat, the heat can reach the center more easily, and the texture will be better. Later, when you want to eat the rice, you can reheat it in the microwave. For one flat portion at about 600 watts, many people warm it for around 1 minute 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The exact time depends on your microwave and the size, so please check carefully and be careful because it can become very hot. If you reheat it while it is still covered, the steam will help bring back a nice soft texture. These are very small habits, but if you try them every day, your rice will become softer and more delicious. If you ever visit Japan, please pay attention to how rice tastes at home or in small restaurants. There is a lot of quiet effort behind that simple bowl of rice. I hope these tips make your everyday meals a little warmer and more enjoyable. Thank you, my dears, for watching this video. I hope these little pieces of Japanese grandma wisdom make your day a bit easier. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and stories from life in Japan. See you again next time.